Motivation is an important factor in making students' academic success. Here, we explore the best methods and techniques for increasing student motivation. We can build something that motivates their ambition for success by recognizing what they need. Creating a good and inclusive learning atmosphere is critical for increasing student motivation. Teachers should create a classroom environment that promotes involvement, collaboration, and respect. Students can develop a sense of belonging and be inspired to actively participate in their learning process by encouraging open communication and acknowledging the various skills and interests of each individual student. Clear goals and expectations provide students with a sense of direction and purpose. Teachers should involve students in setting realistic, attainable goals that align with their interests and aspirations. Breaking larger goals into smaller milestones helps students track their progress, celebrate achievements, and stay motivated throughout the learning process. Recognizing that every student is unique, teachers should employ differentiated instruction techniques to cater to their individual needs. By adapting teaching methods, materials, and assessments, educators can address students' diverse learning styles, abilities, and interests. This personalization empowers students and enhances their motivation by creating a supportive and engaging learning experience. Regular feedback, both constructive and affirming, is crucial in motivating students. Constructive feedback should focus on specific areas for improvement while providing guidance and support. Additionally, recognizing and celebrating students' achievements, both big and small, boosts their self-confidence and encourages continued effort and growth. Making learning relevant and connecting it to real-world applications enhances students' motivation. Teachers can incorporate examples, case studies, and hands-on activities that demonstrate how the knowledge and skills acquired in the classroom can be applied in practical situations. This approach helps students see the value and importance of their education, motivating them to strive for excellence. Motivating students is an ongoing process that requires a multifaceted approach. By creating a positive learning environment, setting clear goals, personalizing instruction, providing feedback and recognition, and establishing real-world connections, educators can ignite students' motivation, helping them unlock their full potential and achieve academic excellence.